All right, hey, Phil here with another Python beginner's question. Nick, what type of computer do I need to be able to learn and code with Python?
So this is my favorite question because if you have any computer made in the last 15 years, you're probably ready to go with Python. Python is so popular that any Mac, Windows, or Linux computer is going to come with Python pre-installed on it.
Hmm,
And even beyond that, if you just have a web connection in a web browser, you can run Python code on a ton of different websites. There's whole websites set up to help you just run in a browser so that you could, start on your iPad, move later to your phone, and then back to your desktop. You can run Python basically anywhere that you want to.
awesome. And again, a follow up to this one, which you might have talked about in the course if people have taken the course already. But for people interested in the course, how are they going to be working with Python? Is it through a web browser or something, or is there one specific tool that you recommend using? How is it in the class?
So my general recommendation is to start with the browser. If you're going to be learning a programming language, Python, for the very first time, you don't want to get stuck on your computer installing this very specific code editor and this specific thing to make sure that everything's working. There's so many great websites out there. In fact, the one that I recommend is REPL.it, which is a great way to just instantly start writing Python code and learning. We really focus on let's learn the code. And as you get more advanced, you may say, okay, I really want to make sure I know how to run this on our computer here, and I can teach you all of that. But just to get started, I really recommend going from the browser because it's so simple.
Awesome. Well, sounds like pretty much everyone should be ready to start coding with Python. So thank you, Nick.